Hello, my name is Peter, and it's always been Peter. Today I will be telling you about the u-Substitution used in problems. Now, the u-Substitution is basically used to simplify the form of a certain function or like a problem so that it makes it easier to recognize and makes it simpler to basically calculate the problem that you have. It's mostly related to the chain rule that's used for differentiation. Today I will show you an example of how the u-Substitution is used. Now in u-Substitution, before you work on a problem, um, there's two things that you have to do before you use the u-Substitution, or before you calculate the problem. Now in u-Substitution, you write out all the possibilities. Say you have a problem like this. Now come on, alright. You have 2x plus 2, e to the x squared plus 2x plus 3, the e to the dx. Now basically, with that, when we look at that, it's hard to calculate with all that. Well, you could probably calculate it without the u-Substitution, but it makes it much simpler. You find all possibilities of u, and in this case, we see that one possibility is the x squared plus 2x plus 3. Now, when we do that, after we find our possibilities, which that u, e to the x squared plus 2x plus 3, we find the derivative of it. And the derivative of that little part is 2x plus 2. Now we take that problem right there, and we multiply both sides by dx. Now the dx will make it become 2x plus 2 to the dx, and that's the derivative of that. Now once we have that all prepared, we want to remove all forms of x. As you can see there, the 2x plus 2 ex squared plus blah 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 becomes this, and our result is eu plus c. Now it's plus the constant because the power wasn't it wasn't -1, right? So you see eu plus c. Now you basically take whatever u was, which was the x squared plus 2x plus 3. Sorry, I forgot one thing. Plus the c. And that's u-Substitution. Now make sure you recognize the problem as a chain rule. It's like the chain rule, but you're working backwards for it. And once you have that out of the way, make sure you're able to find all possibilities. If the possibility that you decide to choose doesn't work, pick another one. Decide to choose another one. And make sure you find the derivative of that, and then calculate the rest of the problem. And that's how the u-Substitution